September 2025, we travelled to North Yorkshire to have our annual Tandem service with JD Tandems of Gargrave. We booked a lovely little place called Jubilee Cottage off 28 Victoria Street in the quaint market town of Settle. This was the lovely cottage we made our home in for the next week. It must have been the wettest September going. I swear we had everything apart from snow. Settle is a small historic market town in North Yorkshire, England, situated on the edge of the Yorkshire Dales National Park. Known for its scenic setting amid limestone hills and rolling countryside, it has a traditional market square lined with independent shops, cafes and Georgian townhouses. Hello. Thank you very much. Oh, now that's what you call a fireplace.
It is, isn't it? It was very, very modern in 1679 when it was put in, and it was put in by the lawyer who built this place.
I wouldn't like to be the person who has to cut the wood to you know.
It would have been peat in general.
Oh, yes,
in this
peat.
area it would have been peat
peat.
fires, which is one reason why we've got such dark beams, because they would have been that colour. That's the colour they were when they went in.
Right.
That's 350 years of smoke. Thank you.
It's a fascinating place.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Now the fire is an Italian design with that joggled stone effect.
Yeah.
If you come inside it for a minute, I'll show you something funny. Mind heads, please. And don't
I'm not that tall.
I haven't found anywhere I have to, Doc.
Oh, my
But if you
word.
have a look back up here, you can see numbers carved into the back.
Yes.
It hasn't survived on every stone at that end, but this
But
side's
this
not
side,
bad. I always have the feeling that the stonemason who carved this modern design did not trust the locals to assemble it.
Yeah,
So he numbered
like
all the bits.
like a jigsaw, yeah.
So you have an IKEA fireplace from 1679.
I love it, absolutely love it. Number 8, that's our lucky number.
Yeah,
Wow.
that makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
They used to do it in bridges and things,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
this, it had to be absolutely correct because of that joggled stone.
Yeah.
It had to be in the right
I
order.
wonder if you put it together on the floor
And then put it up.
and then numbered it and then had somebody put it up. Or
Yeah.
put it up.
It probably came from the stonemasons, from the quarry, carved with the stone.
Oh. I'll go with that.
Give me my list. Everyone were allowed it. That's nice to see, which is not far along.
I'll sign that in a bit. Jeepers, these stairs are...
It is.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. The trouble is, my auntie had something similar, but she had one with arms, four arms here, and it was tall, really tall, it was very low. The gamins are that, I think. They sold it.
stocks.
A bit annoyed actually. No, that's what we want to bring back.
Yeah, definitely.
Once you're in there, you're sitting in on a stool. If you're lucky, you'll maybe sitting on the floor. Put a stool behind there now. Put the stocks down. No need to throw
Settled stocks. In 1351, under the Statute of Labourers, every village and town was ordered to set up village stocks. Having your feet confined to the stocks was punishment for minor crimes, such as being drunk and disorderly. Prisoners would be held for a few hours, and since the stocks were usually on village greens or squares, in full view of passers-by, part of the punishment was humiliation.
That's right.
As people made laughing stocks of them, threw mud or rotten food or tickled their feet. Good gosh. The miscreant would sit on a boulder or stool and must have been very uncomfortable. Last recorded use was 1872.
Yeah. That would have been my grandfather's time, see? I went to find it.
I love the furniture. This ritual piece, 1876, 1953.
Morrison's chair, right? Which was 1600 or something.
The origin of them, I can't read with my glasses.
It was worth it.
The origin of the mouse as my mark was almost in a way of being an accident. Carving a cornice for a
Shouldn't have turned off.
hence the mouse on the... Look at this, love. He's got a mouse. That was his trademark. He put a mouse on everything. Print from gelatin silver glass negative. 1896. The town grew in importance during the 19th century with the arrival of the Settle to Carlisle Railway, whose impressive Ribblehead Viaduct nearby remains a celebrated landmark. Today, Settle blends rural charm with a lively community atmosphere, hosting regular markets, folk gatherings and outdoor activities, making it a popular base for walkers, cyclists and visitors exploring the Dales.